In front of me is OPPO Reno 13 and today I would like to show you how you can operate the vibration settings. If you wanna take control over haptic feedback on this OPPO, I will show you exactly how to do it. Don't worry, I tested it before on this and many other OPPO devices, so I can assure you all of your changes will be successfully applied. Start by going into Settings. Then scroll down to hit Sounds and Vibration. Let's begin by adjusting incoming calls vibration. To do it, you can hit Ring at the top left corner and operate this switcher next to Vibrate on Ring. This way, you can disable or enable haptic feedback for incoming calls along with your ringtone melody. You can also select Vibrate at the top in the middle, and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. If you wanna, you can also select Silent, but in silent mode you can't manage vibrations for incoming calls. To manage vibration intensity of all of those three modes, you need to click here and adjust them by operating those two sliders, calls and alarms, and messages and notifications. When you finished, click on this area at the top. For silent mode, only change that vibration intensity will make is adjusting incoming alarms vibrations when device is on silent. Last but not least, scroll all the way down to hit Haptics. Then you can see presentation of all haptics and actually feel it because it's mostly haptic feedback presentation with some cool animations. And to enable or disable system haptics for touches, swipes and more, use this switcher. If you decided to enable system haptics, you can adjust haptic intensity thanks to this slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!